we'll get it. How many pounds do you think that thing is?
Probably about 300 or 400.
300 or 400.
Now, to go slowly. Here. Alright, if you want to start bringing it, and I'll just make sure it goes.
Okay. Like that?
Actually, let me try this.
Think it should go up a little bit more?
Should be okay. Now maybe we'll go a little bit. Okay. You just bring it down and then slide the whole thing in.
Okay. That's easy, man.
Yeah.
I can just like it. It's not gonna move, right?
Huh?
You don't think it's gonna move?
Yeah, I would definitely strap it down.
Alright. Okay, you can see it picked up the engine now, loaded up, heading to the scrap metal to scrap the engine. It's a bad engine, so we'll see what happens when we get to the metal scrapyard. Okay. So it's on Saturday morning, 8 o'clock. So they're just opening the scrapyard, and you can see how many cars. It's busy. You can see how many cars are waiting here. On Saturday they work from 8 to 12, bringing this engine over here to the scrapyard, and we'll see what happens when we bring this engine here to the scrapyard. This engine was being thrown out. I picked it up. Now we're here at the scrapyard. We'll see what happens. The line is long. The line is very long, but we'll wait and see what happens. You can see people bring all their stuff. You can see all the stuff. You can see it's busy. People know there's money in this business. You see, look at everybody here with a bunch of stuff. Look, it's a busy line here. You can see the cars have to go one at a time. You can see how busy it is over there. See? So we'll see what happens. You can see how busy it is over here. So we'll see what happens when we get in. Okay. So now we're about to pull into the scrapyard now, after a long wait. Pulling in. I'll be next there on the scale. They have to weigh you going in and they weigh you going out. That's how they know how much weight you're carrying, you know. They weigh you going in and they weigh you going out. You see the way in is going in. You can see the green arrow. So the vehicle's on the left side coming out on the right side. On the left side, coming from the other side. On this other side. Those are already coming out. They're being weighed coming out. And this one here is being weighed going in. So I'll be going in next. Boom. That's me right now. Amigo, I got an engine there, man. Yeah. What do you think? Aluminum, right? Hey, am I going in or going inside or going outside?
Outside.
Right. Thank you, man. Okay, going in now. Let's see what happens. The line is still long inside. See, there's still a line here. So we'll see you back when you get to the guy who will pull out the engine from the truck. See you when you get there. It's a busy day here. Saturday morning, July 17th, 2021. Busy day. See when we get to the guy pulling it out of the pickup truck. So you can see that's the payment stub for that iron aluminum engine. It says, you can see it says here, the engine has iron and aluminum in it. So there's a price for iron aluminum. The engine, the car was weighed going in was 4,200 pounds going in, and coming out was 3,840. So the difference is 360 pounds. So 360 pounds is the weight of the engine. It's not that heavy. 360 pounds. For that engine, the price was $64.80. Just for that engine. It seems like it's an engine from a small car, but you can imagine, just for picking up an engine for free without paying anything for it, that's $64.80. So if you pick up 1, 2, 3 engines, pick up other more items, and down the road I'll be showing you the prices for these things so you can see it's really worth it at the end of the day. So that's for 30 minutes of work, just picking up and dropping it off here at the scrapyard for 30 minutes. That's $65. Okay, leave your comments in the comment section. I would like to hear your comments about this, if it's worth it or not. And you can go ahead also and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Okay, good luck. There you go, you can see the magnet grabbing it. There you go. There you go, the magnet grabbing the engine. Okay, that's the magnet grabbing.